Good evening, viewers. A very happy Independence Day to you all. Let's look at the top headlines of the day. On India's 78th Independence Day, Prime Minister Modi gave his longest ever speech of 98 minutes, addressing national and international issues, including the political crisis in Bangladesh. His average speech length is 82 minutes longer than any other Prime Minister. His previous longest speech was 96 minutes in 2016 and his shortest was 56 minutes in 2017. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's focus on key issues including the Uniform Civil Code, the crisis in Manipur, India's aspirations for the 2028 Olympics and the ongoing Bangladesh crisis. He also emphasized economic growth, the success of Digital India and India's position as a global leader in green energy. Modi's speech set the tone for the 2024 general elections, underscoring his government's achievement and outlining future challenges. In his Independence Day speech, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah delivered an important appeal, urging the central government to allocate a fair share of funds to the states. Highlighting the need of equitable financial distribution, Siddaramaiah stressed that states should receive their rightful share to support development and governance. Bengaluru's Namma metro ridership hits fresh daily record of 9.17 lakh. A total of 9,17,000 travelled on Namma metro trains on August 14, surpassing the previous record of 8.26 lakh. The Karnataka government has decided to cut all the ties with State Bank of India and Punjab National Bank following financial frauds that led to the embezzlement of funds. A circular issued by the Finance Department instructs all departments, public enterprises, corporations, boards, local bodies and universities to withdraw their deposits or investments from these two banks. Additionally, they have been directed to close any existing accounts held with SBI and PNB. RG Kar Medical College's autopsy report on the raped and murdered doctor indicates multiple penetrations, suggesting the involvement of several individuals. Dr. Subarna Goswami, a former student who reviewed the report, confirmed that the findings point to the possibility of more than one person being involved in the crime. A Belgian woman in Pakistan was allegedly raped for 5 days before being abandoned on a road. She was found by the police and taken to the hospital. The incident has caused public outrage, with authorities investigating and seeking justice. On Wednesday, Chief Advisor Professor Muhammad Yunus of the interim government of Bangladesh announced on his Twitter handle X that a team of UN experts would soon visit Bangladesh to investigate the killings of the protesters ahead of and in the aftermath of Sheikh Hasina's resignation last week. Jai Shah, BCCI secretary, expressed frustration about fans buying tickets for 5-day matches that end in 2 to 3 days without refunds. India has only held 3 such matches since hosting its first day-night test match in November 2019 at Eden Gardens. Despite the initial success, the BCCI has shown reluctance to schedule more day-night tests, citing concerns about visibility and discomfort the players face. Google to expand AI initiative in India, targeting language barriers and agricultural efficiency. The tech giant has launched Google Gemini, formerly known as Bird, an artificial intelligence chatbot that supports more than 40 global languages, including 9 Indian languages. The Court of Arbitration for Sports rejected Vinesh's appeal against the disqualification of the Paris Olympics 50 kg final for being 100-gram overweight. She had also requested to be awarded a joint silver medal. The Indian sporting fraternity reacted with disappointment at the Court of Arbitration for Sports' decision on rejecting wrestler Vinesh Phogat's appeal against her Olympic disqualification and said she will remain a champion for them. Thank you for joining us today. For such news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.